दी गोलिया किड। अगर आपको हमारे वीडियोस यूजफुल लगे तो फिर एंजॉय कीजिए।
Hello kids, in today's maths class we will learn ascending order and descending order. So let's start the video with ascending order. Ascending order means arranging a group of numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Children, keep in mind smallest to the greatest. Ascending order is also known as increasing order. Means in ascending order numbers are increasing from smallest to the greatest. As you go upward numbers are increasing. We will understand ascending order by taking a step method. These are the steps. We have to move from smallest to the greatest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Children, always keep in mind that in ascending order, numbers always keep on increasing. Now we will take some examples related to the ascending order. These are the numbers which we have to arrange them in ascending order. Means first we have to find out the smallest number. In this smallest number is 3, which will come first. 3, then 4, next 5, 6, 7, 8. All these numbers are in increasing order. Means first we arrange smallest number and going upward with a greatest number. In this smallest number is 3 and the greatest number is 8. While writing the number in ascending order, we have to put the less than sign between the two digits. 3 less than 4, 4 less than 5, 5 less than 6, 6 less than 7, 7 less than 8. Another example related to the ascending order. These are the number which we have to arrange them in ascending order, means increasing order. So for increasing order, first we have to find out the smallest number. So children, which is the smallest number? Yes, 12. 12 is the smallest number. So first we put 12. Next 15, 16, 17 and the last number is 18. In this smallest number is 12 and the greatest number is 18. We arranged all these numbers in ascending order. Children, repeat with me. In ascending order, we should always start with smallest number and end with greatest number. Now while writing the two digit, we put less than sign. 12 less than 15, 15 less than 16, 16 less than 17, 17 less than 18. Descending order, arranging a group of numbers from greatest to the smallest. Children, keep in mind greatest to the smallest. Descending order is also known as decreasing order. Greatest to the smallest. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In descending order, numbers always keep on decreasing. In descending order, we move from upstairs to the downstairs. You can also learn from big to small. Now we will take some example. These are the numbers which we have to arrange them in descending order. You can also call decreasing order. For descending order, first we have to find out the greatest number. Which is the greatest number here? Yes, 9. Then going downward, 8. Next, 6. 5. And the last number is 1. We arrange the number from big to small. Here greatest number is 9, smallest number is 1. Now we will write the number in descending order. While writing the number in descending order, we have to put the greater sign between the two digits. 9 greater than 8, 8 greater than 6, 6 greater than 5, 5 greater than 1. One more example related to the descending order. Descending order is also known as decreasing order. Children, for descending order, first we have to find out the greatest number. Here, which is the greatest number? Yes, children, 15 is the greatest number. So, first we put greatest number 15. Then 14, going downward, 13, next 12, and the last number is 11. In this, greatest number is 15 and smallest number is 11. We moved from big to small. While writing the number in descending order, we put greater sign between the two numbers. 15 greater than 14, 14 greater than 13, 13 greater than 12, 12 greater than 11. Thank you kids for watching video. For more videos, please subscribe Goria Kids channel.